Welcome aboard the Dehler 29, listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. And then just have a little walk around down below, give you an idea how she's laid out. So at the moment I'm at the top of the companionway steps, looking forward, and we'll just make our way down. Lovely wide, easy access down below. Just looking at the galley there on the port side, the fridge just underneath, saloon area. Storage as we've shown you in the photographs up to the forepeak. Nice berth up there, very light, bright, clean. I'll spin you around through the saloon. And now just walking aft, starboard side, navigation area, into the head. Companionway steps with engine access, and just into the aft cabin. You can see there the covers that keep the upholstery nice. Just spinning back around and back where we started from. If you'd like more information, please go to www.boatshedisleofwight.com.